My tamamu. Aisha! Well, I'm just coming back. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Hey!
I called you then, you did not pick my call.
Sorry, I just came back from the village now.
Billet?
We went for a burial meeting. You know?
Okay.
We went for a burial meeting, so now I'm angry with myself. I'm angry with Igbo. I'm angry with our tradition as Igbo people. I'm very, very angry.
Why?
Somebody that died though, that they say that they will have burial meeting, my grandmother. And we went there, they were now sharing bills as if we went for beer parlor. They were sharing bills that will bring for my grandmother's burial. Am I the one that killed her? Yeah?
No.
What kind of thing is this? Yeah? Somebody that died that they are supposed to put inside the ground and bury her. They are saying we should hire horse. That is horse that will carry her coffin. Why will you hire horse to carry somebody's coffin? Yeah? That they will cook 10 bags of rice. Because of what? Yeah?
Wow.
They didn't ask me how my business is going, whether I'm selling. They said I should bring 350,000 naira for burial. For burial.
350?
What kind of thing is this? Yeah?
It is too much.
They will buy
too much.
coffin. Coffin is 150,000. Why? Coffin. Cage coffin, man. Someone that died that they should just go and oh God. Then they said they will now bring all those dancers that will carry dancers now. That will carry
dancers.
that will carry the coffin and be dancing. That's not fun. I just wish that the Igbos barely do burial like you people. I just wish.
You people, okay.
You people are the best people when it comes to burial. Maybe if somebody die, you will just lap the person inside the lapa or maybe inside mat and then throw him inside the grave and then cover him.
I know that you're angry, but you don't talk like that. We don't. I know it is simple. When somebody die, like somebody die in your family or anywhere, you bring the person corpse, like the person corpse, dead body. Okay? Then the person family, one of the person family or friend can just bap the person. She bap the person. Then they wrap them in, and they wrap the person on white wrapper, white material.
Okay.
You wrap him.
Okay.
And then you pray, you pray because person is going to afterlife. So you pray that the journey to afterlife will be successful.
Okay.
Then you put him in the ground. You make sure that you bury him before 24 hours.
You see, all those things, can it cost up to 400 naira?
I like very key. No, but we have what we do sadaka. You do sadaka for 3 days. You give to the poor person for 3 days. You obey right for 3 days. You be giving to wena or koko.
Somebody will die in Igbo land. They'll carry the person and first of all go and put inside fridge. Is the person stockfish? You will put the person inside a mortuary and start embalming the person. Every day in mortuary you must pay. What you owe a dead person is to put him in the ground. That is what you owe the dead person. Everything should be extra. You would somebody that died is meant to rest in peace. You will not carry the person. It is culture. You respect. Calm down. Let me talk first. Calm down. Let me talk first. Somebody that died is meant to rest in peace. Instead of you to put him inside the ground, let him rest in peace. You will carry him and put inside mortuary. He will start freezing. And then you start lobbing him chemical. Someone that died is supposed to rest in peace. Then during his burial, you will not call dancers. They will carry the person's corpse and be dancing. The person that died will be asking himself, he's supposed to rest in peace. Yeah? Then during that day, you will see people dragging rice, jollof rice at somebody's burial. One girl was dragging rice at somebody's burial, and then she now fell inside the grave because of she dragged rice. All these things they are doing. Even I'm a Christian. Even Jesus Christ, the King of Kings, they did not call undertakers to come and carry him and dance. Immediately Jesus Christ died, the King of Kings, they put him inside tomb, inside his grave. They buried him, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Go and read Bible. They did not go and start cooking rice and start looking for dancers to dance with his baby. I'm angry.
Joy, but it is okay, man. I am not the person that make you angry. I make you angry. Am I dead? I did not die.
You say it's culture. Even if it's culture can be amended. Culture can be, culture should evolve. There was a time that killing of twins was a culture. You remember now? Killing of twins.
I do remember.
But now they have already abolished it. Some culture should be abolished. See the way I'm sweating. I'm angry. Sorry, I'm transferring the aggression to you.
No problem.
Sorry. I just admire the way people do your own belly. Higher is 250. You put belly person. Buy mat 100 naira. Buy lapa 100 naira. Dig grave. You pay people that will dig grave for you. Aisha, please. Anyway, sorry.
No problem.
Sorry.
You too. You calm down. Person that died, she's died.
You know my anger too. You will see people. They will bury them with gold caskets. They will carry limousine to carry them in untied load. That load that they are going to bury him in the village. They did not do it. Instead of them to use the money to do project in that community, to do the load. Some people will even use car to even bury their papa. Use money to bury the papa. They will not celebrate the person when he's alive. When he died, they will start putting gold inside the grave. But instead of use the money to do borehole for community, do load. Oh God, Aisha, sorry.
Okay,
Your people are the best when it comes to burial. I wish they would. Everybody should now do like people. God later. Can we all that hit is go. Oh, bye. Undertaker will be dancing with the person. God, dancing. Somebody that died will be having hypertension, high BP. Somebody that died. I know say you love me, and I love you too. Just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, no, Jebese, go. You are begging you, please go.